What is up, everybody? This is Scott here again from the Three Crazy Americans. So today, I'm playing My Little Blacksmith Shop again. But something happened. Okay, so look at this. Alright, so I had a problem with my files. So I had to re-download it, and I did some stuff, and then I came up with this. Just look at this. Okay, so this is our shop. Okay. Well, apparently it saved my my data from the last one, so everything's oh my. Okay. Well, it looks like that's where I kept all my grips. But yeah, just look at this. This is amazing. And you know what? You can actually explore. Okay. I just want to take a moment to explore this right now. Just look at this amazing world. This is so cool. I was not expecting this. Just is something on fire over there? Oh my. Oh no. Wow, good going, Scott. First minute and you already got everything on fire. Okay, well, it looks like this is a short blade. Why is it on fire though? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. Yeah. Yeah, it'll put itself out. Okay, so I mean, this is amazing. I have never seen something like this before. This is really cool. Oh, look at those clouds. Oh wow, okay. This is definitely cool. Oh, now what's in this house here? Oh my, that's a crystal. Oh, what? Crystal unknown. Oh, just like that. Alright, well, I'm gonna take it back. Alright. Oh my gosh. What? What? Dark crystal? Fear? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is... Oh wow. Okay, so the crystals actually do something now? Fear? Oh my gosh. What is that? What is this? Oh my gosh, there's more. Is that? What is that? I need to get closer. Man, my person's so slow. Ooh, whoa, what's going on? Okay. This looks like... Oh, is that a golem? Like from the first episode? Like from the... Ooh. Oh, I gotta look at this first. Hi there. Can you come out? Oh my gosh, look at that. He is huge. Oh, is he gonna step on me? Please don't step on me. He's gonna step on me. Oh, it does nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's flying. Oh, okay. You want? What is it? Is this a shield? Back away. This is my shield. Yeah, that's right. You better. Ooh, is this another crystal? What does it do? Ooh, a light crystal. Protection. What am I supposed to do with all these crystals? Ooh, oh, this looks amazing. Oh, I can't pick it up? No, I want to pick it up. Ah, dang it. I will take this though. Man, just look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. Oh, I'm lost. Okay. Oh, here we are. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. What do I do with these crystals? Ah, I don't know. It looks awesome though. What do I do with them? Do I heat them up? Is it doing something? Into the flames. No, it does. No. Seriously? Oh. I put you on an anvil. I don't think that doesn't. What about in water? You do anything in water? No. Ah! What does it do? It does something. Well, it has to do something. Oh, is this a mirror? Looks like they need to work on the mirror. Oh, well, you actually have a body in this. Okay, that's cool. And the other one, you were invisible. Okay, this is cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm excited here now. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put that in. Where should I put it? I need somewhere to put it. Ah. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on. No. Wait. It goes through the bed. What? What? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna take a moment to, organize everything, and you know what? I will be right back with you. Alright? Okay. Be right back. Okay, I am now back. Okay. So this is like super cool. Okay, so we got that tab. But okay, so I organized this. I got all my metals out here. I ordered a couple more. I got all my handles and grips, and I got my forearms, and I got these. And then this is like my treasure room right here. I found yet another crystal. So we got the dark crystal, fear. We got the light crystal, protection, and then we got this crystal, unknown. But the thing is, I found it in the middle of a pond, so I'm guessing that this is water. But you realize that we have a light crystal, and then we also have a dark crystal. So there must be more to this. And then, okay, so I'm just now realizing I am no longer a blacksmith. I am now a freaking explorer. Explorer. Yeah. Sorry about that. But yeah, no longer a blacksmith. But the whole point of the game is to be a blacksmith. So then why add in all these crystals and stuff if you're just gonna explore? I don't know. I think that I'm turning into, like one of these people over here. But yeah, here, let me show you the pond that I found it in. It says that the crystal is unknown, but I'm guessing that it's water. It's just a guess since I found it in a pond. Here, let me show you this pond. Wait, is it this? Wait. What? Wait, I'm confused. Oh yeah, this is right. So I found it like right there. Oh, and I see something else already. Like an underwater cave. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I'm no longer a blacksmith. Oh, can I go under? Oh, this is the edge of the world. Dang it. I really want to explore. What's down there? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be a long episode. I can tell already. Oh, that's a weird tree. Is that another crystal? Oh no, it's the edge of the world. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Is it the edge of the world? It's not near the edge. Oh wait, well, good news is that that's not a crystal. Oh, we're gonna find another crystal. I want to know what they mean. Well, at least I found 3, so that's something, right? Right? Are they something or are they nothing? Oh my gosh, this is gonna bug me forever. Oh my gosh. Well, let's go back to being a blacksmith. So, let's do this. Heated copper. Wait, can I cool this down in the water? Oh, look at that steam. Oh my gosh, I love that noise. Ah, I won't do it again. Dang it. That's a pretty cool noise that it makes when you put it in the water. I need to do it for the rest of these. Ah, just listen to it. Ah. Right? Okay, no one's here yet. I am open, right? Yeah, I'm open. Oh yeah, and also there's like all these papers that tell you what to do. Like there's one on using the anvil that I put near the anvil. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys this. I brought the shield back and I put it right there. So I got that near the crystals. Just look at that reflection though. What does it mean? This is gonna bug me. I have like a little shrine here. Tell me the answers. This is a nice bed though. Okay. Oh, okay, one-hand sword. I did not see you come in here. Okay, frick. One hand. It's stuck in the table. I hate when this happens. I'm just, okay, there we go. Here you go. Take it. Ah, okay, thank you. Okay, how much money did we make from that? We made 37. Not bad. Oh yeah, and out here I was looking at the other metals. And they cost a lot, like 10. That's 500 a piece. And then iron is 1,000. And oh my gosh, it just keeps on going on and on and on. Oh, and there's more metal. Titanium. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to? That's a lot. Is that 100,000? Man. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with my copper. Pull on. Can okay, I can put a dagger on the end of this, right? Dagger. Okay, yeah, there we go. Take it. Ah, thank you. 33. Not bad. I haven't used any of this out here yet. Well, I did use the water, but that was very important. And just, what does it mean? By the way, this is like freaking awesome. This whole entire world. And it is really awesome. I just want to know what it means. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna bug me. Oh yeah, and then also I checked that house up there. I didn't really see anything. Now I have to go and check it again. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Oh, it's night. Open. And sleep. Sleep. Okay, there we go. Okay. Day 10. I'm only at 10 days. Wow. And I'm just looking at all these different things. They're so cool. What am I supposed to do with this shield though? I don't know. It's all so confusing. Oh. want to come and buy something? Cause I'm totally cool if you want. Okay. Yeah, looks like you want to buy something. Oh, yep. Oh, here to pick up that great hammer. You didn't order one, so yeah. Great hammer. Get on the. Okay. You guys just have to let go. Okay, yeah. Man, this anvil is different too. Oh, it's different. Oh wow, that's cool. Last time you only had like one variant. Wait, where's the hammer? Oh, Z? Do I have to kind of go for the hammer? What? 3 ingots equals a great blade / hammer. Okay, where's my hammer? Where is my hammer? Do I have to do something with Z? Oh my gosh. Where's my hammer? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, please tell me that I still have some. Oh no, you left? Oh my gosh. Seriously? So I made like this. Oh my gosh. Why didn't it want to work? I don't understand. Why did you leave? I was working on it. Oh my gosh. I was trying to make a hammerhead, but I guess it just didn't want to work. I gotta throw some more copper on here. And is it just me, or like could you make like almost like 50 copper on this thing? I feel like the copper's smaller, or the fire's bigger. I don't know. I don't know anything. This is all so confusing. Oh, I think I have something in my shop. Okay, how much time do I have? A one-hand hammer. Okay, yeah. I was working on that. Wait, what happened to that piece of copper that I put? I put a piece of copper on here. Where is it? Oh, there. Oh, now I gotta make a hammer. Hopefully that would work. What? Okay. I got her. Okay. To break a web. Oh, wait, okay. 2 ingots. Wait, let me read it. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. 2 ingots equals a blade or a hammer. Oh, click on parts / ingot to change its shape on the anvil. Click again to cycle a different shape. Cycle breakdown blade to hammerhead. Wait, break blade, arrow, hammer. Oh wait, what? Break a. Okay. How do I make a hammer? Oh my gosh. Hammer? I want a hammer. Okay. Read first. Parts radial section equals Z toggle. This will allow you to choose which part is being created on the anvil. Okay, yeah, I want to choose the hammer. Why can't I click on it? Oh my gosh. I have no clue. Oh, now this person wants a pole arm. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to do anything. Here, take your pole arm and go. Oh my gosh. How do I make a hammer? Hammer. Hammer. Wait, this is a large blade? Wait. I thought that I put 2 copper on it. What? I put 2 copper on there, and then I got a big blade. Oh, now I got a regular blade. What's going on now? I want a hammer. Hammer? Ah! I would very much like a hammer, please. How do I make a hammer now? Nothing makes sense. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to make hammers. Okay, just give me a break. Oh, so now this is heated. Put it on the anvil. Oh, I'm clicking on the hammer. Oh my gosh. Oh, parts radial selection Z. People see top. What? Wait, you can make a shield? Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. What's this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so sneaky. There was a crystal in the torch. Oh, well, that's another one to add to the collection. I don't, do something. Please? For me? Oh, so we got dark, unknown, unknown, texture. I think that this is water and fire. Oh, I have plenty of swords. Why didn't you just ask me later? I mean, earlier. I mean, one hand. Oh, here, just take your. Yeah. Take it. Take it. Ah, there. You know what? I give up. I don't know how to make a hammer. Maybe I like have to do something first. I mean, like I have a hammer in my hand. How did I make that? Am I just overthinking it? No, I wasn't thinking at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, left click. Oh, it's not doing anything. Ooh, not for sale. Oh, well, can I just go inside? Ooh, there's a balcony. How do I get up there? Maybe I have to like break into this house? Or oh my gosh. I don't know. This game is so confusing. Oh, by the way, I like the mountain background. Now if only it meant something. Oh, and I can't even go on that path. Oh, by the way, there's the golem. It doesn't load in the trees until you get close to it, so. Wait, why isn't he moving? Did I kill him? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Well, I think that I'm just gonna leave this episode here for today. If you guys know what these crystals do, or you know, like how to make a hammer, Please let me know. Because I have no clue. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, please do leave a like and subscribe, and comment below if you know how to make a hammer or what the crystals mean. So yeah, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Anyways, I'm Scott, and I'm from the Three Crazy Americans, and have a good day. Bye bye.